How to wear a face covering. Practice 1, true or false. You should always wear a face covering in public places. A, true. B, false. Answer A, true. Fact, this is a new guideline. Wearing a face covering, even if you are not sick, will help slow the spread of coronavirus. Practice 2, choose the best option to fill in the space. Wearing a face covering while you are outside in public is wearing one while you are inside a store. A, not as important as. B, just as important as. C, more important than. Answer B, just as important as. Fact, wear a face covering inside and outside. Public places include parks, grocery stores, restaurants, pharmacies, corner stores, sidewalks, buses and trains, shared cars. Practice 3, choose the best option to fill in the space. You can make your own face covering by using A, bandana, B, scarf, C, hand towel, D, t-shirt, E, all of the above. Answer E, all of the above. Fact, there is currently a shortage of surgical masks or N95 respirators. These are critical supplies that should be reserved for healthcare workers and medical first responders. Practice 4, choose the best option to fill in the space. It is important to wear a face covering. Even if someone is not showing symptoms, they can still COVID-19 and give it to you. A, carry. B, cure. C, eliminate. Answer A, carry. Fact, COVID-19 can pass from person to person just by speaking. If you can smell someone's bad breath, then you are standing too close. Practice 5, choose the best option to fill in the space. Cloth face coverings need to A, fit closely against your face. B, be secured with ties or loops. C, have many layers of fabric but allow for breathing. D, be washed frequently. E, all of the above. Answer E, all of the above. Fact, when you remove a face covering, do not touch your face. Wash your hands immediately after you remove it. Bonus, learn how to make your own face covering.